so many swans here. It's unbelievable. I don't want to film any people. And it's sunny. There are some pigeons as well here. Yeah. I guess somebody's feeding them there with the bread or cookies or something. Which they shouldn't do, but they love it. They love it, grains. Wheat. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, it is. Oh, there you go. You can see them all now. Just gonna get closer to them. There you go. Ooh. I've got nothing for you, to be honest. Yeah, no bread, no cookies, nothing. I'm just feeling content all over YouTube and TikTok. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Come to me, baby, a beautiful one. Yeah. And you? Yeah. Very nice, very good pictures. I think I'm gonna sell this video. It's really nice. Oh, wow. And you, wow. Yeah. Oh, this is the baby. Must be.